Hello, welcome to the Cogni Campers YouTube channel. In our forthcoming episode we will be focusing on a complete setup of budget equipment, available from well-known internet traders, all for under £250. This is an incredible collection of gear for an incredible price, that will set you up to get out there and experience the outdoors under canvas. We would like to indicate that the images in this video are not representative of the equipment to be featured in the forthcoming upload, which will be available on YouTube, Facebook and Reddit, this coming Friday, the 26th of February 2021, at around 6 p.m. Don't forget to set your timer, and also remember to subscribe, share and like the Cogni Campers channel. Thank you for watching.